In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a closed Sofi account. Whether you've decided to tidy up your app or simply want to ensure your information is no longer stored, the process is straightforward and can be completed with just a few taps on your device. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Sofi app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, log in using your credentials just as you normally would. This step is necessary to access your account settings and ensure that you have the right permissions to make changes. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the home screen. Here, you'll see your profile or avatar image. Tap on this image to proceed to the next step. This will take you to your profile section where you can access various account settings and personal information. Now, navigate to the Profile tab. This tab houses all the key options related to your account settings. Here, you'll want to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't already, as it contains valuable information about your account. When you reach the bottom of the profile page, you'll see an option labeled Delete Account. Go ahead and tap on this. It's important to mention that this option will only be available if your Sofi account is already closed. This means that you should have no outstanding balance, no active services, and no open loan applications tied to the account. If any of these conditions are not met, you won't be able to proceed with the deletion. And there you have it. That's how to delete a closed Sofi account from the Sofi app. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your account is fully removed once you no longer need it. Remember, taking these steps is crucial for maintaining your digital privacy and keeping your financial information secure. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Sofi's customer support is always there to help. Thank you for watching and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful guides and tips.